Welcome to Mindzita. Tech simplified, dreams amplified. In this video, I'll show you how to create a new page in WordPress. Let's begin. First, log in to your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, hover over Pages and click Add New. At the top, type a name for your page, for example, Services, and then click on Publish button. Now, instead of using the default WordPress editor, click the big blue button that says Edit with Elementor. Click Edit with Elementor to launch the Visual Builder. This is the Elementor editor, the place where you'll build your page visually. On the left, you'll see a panel full of widgets, things like headings, images, text, and buttons. On the right is your live page preview. You can drag and drop any widget from the left panel right onto your page to start building. Let's add some basic content. Drag a heading widget and type your page title. Drag a text editor widget below it for your content or description. You can also add a button for calls to action like Learn More. To customize any element, just click on it. You can change text, color, alignment, and fonts directly in the left panel. To structure your page, you can add sections and columns. Click the plus icon to add a new section, then choose your layout, 1 column, 2 columns, etc. You can also change background colors, add images, and adjust padding for perfect spacing. Once your page looks exactly how you want, click the green Publish button at the bottom. And that's it. You now know how to add a new page in WordPress. If you run into any issues to add new page, contact us at info@mindzita.com or call us at 305-434-4698. At Mindzita, we offer affordable services and resolve any problem within 24 hours. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tech tips.